Gonna do a little different video for everybody today. I'm here in my backyard. I'm gonna do a little backyard hunting. Something you just don't see anymore. You know, that small game type hunting. Every time, I swear, I start one of these videos, there's a plane going over. You watch. We're gonna start keeping track. We're gonna be doing a little backyard small game hunting. Out behind my house, I own a little 10-acre piece. Today, we're gonna go rabbit hunting. We got a little dusting of snow, so I'm gonna track them just like you would a whitetail. Kind of the dying art of rabbit hunting. You know, it's kind of a dying sport. People don't really get out and do it much anymore that I know of. But here at Game Seekers, we hunt it all. Something I've done for a really long time is rabbit hunt with kick and brush, you know. Since I was a kid, I still do it today. We still use rabbits, so we're gonna see if we can't find a track. Maybe get ourselves a rabbit. It's snowing a little bit, you know. A lot of times those rabbits will hunker down when it does that. This is really good practice, you know, for whitetail hunting. I'm using a 22, you know, that kind of mirrors my deer rifle. You know, it's the same. I use a pump action deer rifle. But when these rabbits take off, you know, if you catch them, right, you're working on your eyesight, you know, being able to see them, pick them out with their little color camouflage fur. So that's good for the practice. But also, you know, if you were to have to take some bounding shots, you know, it's like a little whitetail hunt. It's all good for you. Good practice. But I see some fresh rabbit tracks here. It's snowing, so I'm sure that they're gonna be holding somewhere. But this snow will freshen up a lot of this sign, and we can follow some rabbit tracks, and eventually it's going to lead us to where he's camped out. Well, that's how it's done. We found a little rabbit tracks in here, found a spot where they could hunker down. You just walk on top of the pile, and the thing shot out of there and stopped. And we actually put a nice shot right behind the shoulder. It ran over here, and we got ourselves a backyard bunny.